The Church of the 12 Apostles in Trinity, Khutsong, says its plan to build a permanent worship space has stalled because 3 years ago, the Gauteng Department of Education asked that a school move into its premises temporarily and is still there today.
We had into ya hore sekolo se go thusia wa kamo then ne re kata hore ka stand senana as kereke then e re ka ba kadima sona hore at least ha ntse go lokiswa kamo ba school. It was supposed to be a temporary thing.
In 2023, the Gauteng Education Department relocated about 1,400 pupils from Relebogile Secondary School to mobile classrooms on the church property after a sinkhole damaged the school's toilets. Since the move, parents are dissatisfied, saying that the temporary classrooms are a health hazard and that the matric results have dropped.
Bana ba rona le di-toilet tse lele re nna le di-case tsa basetsana ba na le di-infection le metsi ha gane sentle.
Currently, we are in section 58B, non-performing schools around Gauteng. We only managed to get 67% and 25 bachelors last year.
A 27 million rand budget was also set aside to rehabilitate the school. While the move was meant to be temporary, the arrangement still remains, while church members and parents report little progress on repairs at the school. Share your thoughts with us on this.